Hello, everyone. This is Adam again. I have a puppet story for you. It's one of my kids' favorites. And we have our friends, the five little monkeys that are here. They're going to join us. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. It is I, Thumpkin, and Finger, Middler, O, and Pinkerton that are here. They love to have a smelling contest. And what happens on a smelling contest, you might ask? I will show you. First of all, boys, cover your eyes. Oh, right now? Okay. I'm going to show you an item. It's a cupcake. Okay, a cupcake. And I'm going to place it in front of their nose. Wait, did you put something in front of my nose? Oh, hold on, boys. You're not supposed to see that yet. There's a contest, and you're going to have to guess what it is. Oh, okay, we're ready to hide. All right. Hey, no peeking. Yep, keep your faces down. All right, here's what it is. I'm going to put it by your noses. Can you smell it? Oh, I smell something. Okay, who wants to guess first? I will guess first. My name is Duncan, and my guess is it's pizza. A pizza. Okay, that's kind of a guess. It is I, Finger's turn, and I am going to guess watermelon. Okay. I am Middler, and I am going to guess earwax. What? You guys are not quite getting this at all. Let's try again. Oh, can you tell us what it is? Oh, nose. Oh, has smelled many things before. It is paint. Oh, kids, do you need to smell this again? Wait. It's me. It's Pinkerton. I will tell everybody what it is. It's a cupcake. What did you say? It's a cupcake. Everyone, Pinkerton has won the contest. Yay! Oh, I thought it was so right. I'm so sad. Your face is still smiling, though. I'm always happy to smell things. Can you show it to us? Yes, I will. It was a cupcake. Pinkerton has won the contest. Oh, guess what? I think I should eat this right now. Oh, no. I seem to have lost my cupcake. I'm going to have to go get that back. I will see you later. Bye. Where'd it go?